If you've been following me on TikTok or YouTube Shorts, you've noticed that I've posted a lot of people copying my tattoos. And in these videos, I'm doing this little shaky head thing, kind of hating on the people that are doing the copying. And honestly, they're doing a bad job. They are not doing a good job copying my tattoos. So we're going to be looking at some of the ones that people have copied and what I have done and see what kind of stuff they're kind of doing and what you have to look forward to if you do try to copy my work. There's a controversial thing in the industry of like copying tattoos, and obviously the culture has always been to kind of walk into a flash shop, pick a tattoo off the wall and copy it. Well, unfortunately, that is not how I go about my art. I'm an artist and I do tattoos. Referencing like the idea and the concept is okay. And then thank you. Give me a tag and say, oh, like I kind of got it from here. Even top artists have used my work as inspiration, and by all means, do your thing. I'll do the same to you. And it's a beautiful relationship that everyone gets to enjoy. And just right off the bat too, a good tattoo artist isn't gonna copy somebody exactly. Obviously, all your like stupid little figure eights and birds and all the little dates and shit, copy it away. It's not art, it's just tattoos. There's no good tattoo artist that's gonna get one of my headdresses or one of my big pieces and copy it. If he is gonna try to trace it out, run. At this point, we're gonna be looking at some of the ones that people have copied and what I have done. So starting off with the Buddha split face. Bruh. That thing is bad, dude. Know what sucks too? It's like you kind of get a reference photo of mine, give it to the person, you're like, yeah, that's what I want. And then you show up with this? Like, that's not good, dude. It's at least clean though. Like, at least it's not like some of these other ones where they're just like murked up and muddy and damaged. Like, at least that's like legible, maybe? Come on, like this one compared to this one, this one. Come on. The headdress one, this is a classic and OG one that went like viral on even like Pinterest or something like back in the day. Love this tattoo. This one's obviously super bad. I've had some people say that they don't even mind this one. And when I see the two, I could just like dude, it's night and day difference. Like, look at the difference. Like, it almost looks like this one's like halfway done. Maybe they need to add more, but they already like tribal blacked out the like texture in the nose. The face compared to the tiger, the face is amazing. And somehow they did a decent job even on like the geometric stuff, which is crazy that they are literally screenshotting my tattoo and tracing the geometric shit. Like, you can see the geometric is not a perfect circle. It's like warped. This one's an interesting one. Overall, first look, not as detailed, not as smooth. It looks like the faces are warped a little bit because obviously they're tracing it off the photo. But this one, people were saying like, oh, it's not exact copy, which is hilarious because actually what they did is copy two of my tattoos and put it in one. This is the top of the one that they copied, and this is the bottom one that they copied. But overall, this one's not the worst. At least it's clean and legible and doesn't look like there's a bunch of blown out black lines like on this next one. This one's one of my most famous tattoos. I don't even do this type of stuff really anymore. It was so hard to add to overall, where you get the wolf and the geometric on the top and bottom. Looks insane. The color looks insane. This person's skin just took it so well. It's so blue. And then you get the copies and they start looking like this. It's just mushy. Like, it's just like not gonna heal that well. The crescent isn't straight. You can tell that they traced it off the arm, so the eyes are a little bit cockeyed. The geometric doesn't look that bad from here, but I'm assuming that's probably the best photo they can get of it. I'm sure the side of it is probably all wonky because they have to probably freehand it because you can't see the whole thing in the photo. So could be worse. Definitely could be better. So this is the one that has been copied a lot but went super viral on my YouTube shorts. And yeah, I didn't create the line, but look, it's exactly the same. And that's why you can see like the circles are all wonky. The letters are all wonky. It's just not good. No way around it. If he got like a clock or something similar and got a different line, I would even know he referenced mine. And like somebody else sent me this. It wasn't like the person tagged me like, thanks, Daniel, love your work. Headdress. Just not smooth. Obviously don't know what they're doing. They're not getting their own reference photos. It's even like bigger than the one that I did. It's just like not good. It's not clean. And this is fresh. Some people even like, this one's healed. You shouldn't be comparing healed to fresh tattoos. This is a fresh tattoo. It's not a healed tattoo. I don't know what y'all saying. It is funny when you guys say mine's the fresh one and this is the healed one. I think that is funny. I like those comments. This one's pretty hilarious. This one I know for sure is a copy as well. When I made it, I found a different head, a different body, and a different hand, and a dollar bill, and I free-handed all the flames. This is exact traced out copy. Probably the worst one out of the bunch. Just overall, nothing good about that. But if you're going for that style, like a tribal Joker style, I guess you killed it. This one is one that people think is like just as good, which I think is insane. I don't know what the geometric looks like. It seems like he actually made his own, which is probably smart. That's the one thing, like, you can't really even trace. The arm's warped, so it's like you can't trace it off the side of it. So I think he whipped up his own geometric, which I can respect. And the last one is probably the best copy. Still not there. He probably took half as much time as I did on it. At least it's clean, but not as detailed as the one I did, not as smooth as the one I did. And the most important part, it's somebody else's tattoo. It's not your tattoo. Why copy it? Change it up a little bit. Change something about it. Make it a different type of bird or something. But my suggestion, if you are going to try to copy my work, is to just don't. I'm going to troll you. All in all, touchy subject. If there is any other tattoos that you see that somebody copies, tag me, send it to me. I want to see it because I would love to make a round 2 of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate it. It's free. Give me a thumbs up on the video. Give me a little follow. Go to my Instagram. Go to my TikTok. Until then, see you next time.